Don't move, don't move, don't move. Up,
Don't
up.
run.
Don't run. Up. Put your hands in the shoulder. And, okay. Then, not to worry because we are happy. Yeah? Then,
Swim.
Don't ano? Swim? Di makakalunga yan. Okay. Oh, don't move. Oh, don't turn around. Don't turn around.
You're finished now?
Anong finish? Contractor yan. Hindi contractor yan. Anong finish? Up. Up. Don't worry. Be happy because we are to be with you. Okay, don't move. Up. Up. Down slowly. Wallet. 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 Wala.
Wala siyang wallet. Bigyan mo
wallet.
ng wallet. Bigyan mo wallet.
Wala akong wallet din eh. Patas tayo.
Parehas din tayo eh.
Yosin na lang para ano. Paras tayo. Ay, sorry. Up, up, up.
No,
Bumingit eh.
don't smile. Don't smile.
Bumingit eh. Up. Walang lilingon ha. Walang lilingon. Sir, akala mo, in-hold up ka na, sir, eh, no? Kinabahan ka, sir? Kinabahan ka? Eto, sir, sir, Santon Coffee, sir, Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Yes, makakatayo ka nito pag inom ka.
At nakakatakbo.
Makakatakbo. May collagen pa, puti pa, tsaka ano, glutathione.
Hindi nga siya makalingo.
Ano, salamat, utang to.
Ayan, buhatin na.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Up, up, put your hand in your shoulder, and clap, clap. Don't worry, be happy, and smiling face. Are you smiling face, Tay?
What's your word?
Huh? What your worry about?
Don't move. Don't
No,
move.
don't move, don't move. Oh.
Don't move.
Tumitingin. Close open.
Close open.
Close open.
Close open.
Close open. Up. Tapos, ano? Tumatawa. Parang hindi niniwala kayo. Up, close open. And say not to worry. Be happy. Ha? May yelo ka maligam-gam?
May blue kayong hotdog. Ay,
Hindi, akin to, te! Ay, inutang ko to din sa mga ano bang kulay?
ang gulo naman ito. Hindi na ako bibili dyan.
Akin to, te! Akin to, inutang ko pa! Ate, ayun na may pula, oh! Ayun na may pula! Ayun may pula! Oh, pambihira ka. Ay, sakit na kamay ko. Akin to, eh! Akin, ayun yung pula mo, oh! Nakagaw kasi na hindi sa'yo, eh! Ay, hindi, oh! Sa'yo na yun lahat, oh! Pambihira ka!
Kasi mga agaw.
Oh, yan.
Agaw ka eh.
Ngayon, sa'yo yung lahat bitbitin. Paano mo bitbitin lahat yan?